So let me present to you the research articles that I have found on Google about the teaching strategies in teaching the magnetism topic. So we have the first article. So it is entitled The Effect of Problem-Based Learning Approach on Conceptual Understanding in Teaching of Magnetism topic. So this research article examined that problem-based learning affects students' understanding of magnetism concepts. So, compared to the traditional teaching, so they have found out that PBL, using the real-world physics problem in small groups, lead to a significant better conceptual understanding of topics like magnetic field and magnetic field induction. So that is this research article is all about. And the next is we have the teaching of magnetism and unit topics via active learning application. So this research articles finds that active learning methods daw like experiments, simulations, and games are significantly important to improve the 11th graders' understanding of magnetism and increase their interest in the subject. So the next is we have the FIT interactive simulation approach in teaching electricity and magnetism among science teacher education students. So this research study examines the conceptual knowledge in electricity and magnetism and their perspective on the effects of fit simulation approach in teaching the said concepts. So it is utilized educational action research with assessment tests and the structured interview guide as the main instrument in the gathering required data. So the structured interview guide contains one question. So what are the effects of fit simulation approach in learning electricity and magnetism? So their study reveals that the conceptual knowledge in electricity and magnetism improved to very satisfactory after the application of intervention. So, i-improve siya because of the intervention. There is a significant difference in the assessment sources between the pre-test and the post-test. So, the study then concludes that fit simulation approach is an effective teaching strategy in teaching the electricity in magnetism. To further strategy is possibly accepted by the student based on their qualitative data. So that is all. So for the um, lesson plan, I have here the learning objectives. So we have the first is describe the properties of magnets and the concept of magnetic fields. Explore the relationship between magnetism and electricity through hands-on experiment. Describe the structure of Earth's magnetic field, including the magnetic poles and field lines. And then lastly, analyze real-world application of magnetism and demonstrate through presentations. So subject matter, magnetism, materials, we have the magnets in any size, paper, paper clips, coins, plastic, copper wire, nail, and battery. So preparatory activities, amayaon. We have the routinary activity. And the next is my abstraction. So the teacher will begin a demonstration using a bar magnet and iron filings para kuana dayon ang makuhang attention ng mga students. So this is the first activity. So magpakita ang teacher ng demonstration of the bar magnet, and then the teacher will ask then a question after the demonstration based on their observation. So the sample questions is what do you see happening with the iron filings. And then what do you think magnets, or how do you think magnet works? So for the exploration, the teachers will then prepare stations for students to actively participate in the activity. So it is a hands-on activity. So we have the instruction. In small groups, students will rotate between each station for 3 minutes and will document their findings and experiences. So the teacher will then create the magnetism station. So station 1 is the testing different materials to see if they are magnetic. So we have the materials, the paper, clips, and coins and plastic. Station 2 is creating a simple electromagnetic using a battery, wire, and nail. Using, student will measure how many paper clips their electromagnet can pick up. And then the station 3, using compasses to explore the magnetic field by moving around the school grounds. So student will be given, will be provided compasses, and then ila da ila ma-move around sila sa school ground para ma-explore nila ang Earth's magnetic field. So after that, after the activity, the teacher will then explain the key concept related to magnetism. So definition of magnetism and magnetic field lines, the types of magnet, and explain Earth's magnetism and its importance. So for the visual aids, we have the video presentation from YouTube. So I have here a link for that video presentation to be presented to the student, and amo na yaon siya. So for the elaboration, we will have a project-based learning. So an assignment will be create ang mga student ng presentation for a poster on a specific application of magnetism. Example yan mga MR machines, maglev trainings, and magnetic levitations. So encourage students to include direct real-world application examples and explanation of how magnetism is utilized in their chosen topic. So next is the presentation. So student will present their project to the class, fostering peer-to-peer learning. So for the evaluation, we have the assessment and the questions to be answered by the students. We have the multiple choice, the short answer question, and the true or false. So that is all. Thank you. So that is all for my presentation. Thank you so much.